You love your dog. You feed them, walk them, play with them, and maybe you believe that love alone is enough to build trust. But here's the hard truth. Dogs do not judge us by our intentions. They judge us by our patterns. And sometimes, without realizing it, the little things we do every day slowly chip away at the trust our dogs once gave us so freely. If your dog has become more distant, more hesitant, less relaxed around you, it may not be random. It may be the result of daily habits that seem harmless to you, but feel completely different to your dog. So in this video, we're going to talk about 6 daily mistakes that can make your dog lose trust in you, and what you should do instead. Number 1, ignoring their body language. This is one of the biggest mistakes dog owners make. Your dog is always communicating with you, not with words, but with signals. A lip lick, a yawn, a turned head, pinned ears, a stiff body, a lowered tail. These are not random little movements. These are messages. And when your dog gives those messages and you keep pushing, keep petting, keep leaning in, keep invading their space, your dog learns something dangerous. They learn that you do not listen. And trust begins to break the moment your dog feels unseen. A dog doesn't suddenly become distant. Usually, they tried being polite first. They gave warnings, they asked for space, and when those signals were ignored often enough, they stopped believing you would understand them. Number 2, being inconsistent with rules.
Wanna come up?
One day your dog is allowed on the
boy,
couch.
come on up
The next
here.
day you scold them for the exact
You're such a
same
good
thing.
dog.
One day jumping up is
I love
cute.
you
The next
so
day it
much.
becomes a problem. One day you reward a behavior. The next day you punish it. To a human, this feels small. To a dog, this feels chaotic. Dogs feel safe when life makes sense. They trust people who are clear, predictable, and fair. But when the rules keep changing based on your mood, your stress, or your convenience, your dog stops feeling secure. They start hesitating. They start second-guessing everything. And a confused dog cannot fully trust the person leading them. Number 3, yelling when your dog makes a
Come on,
mistake.
boy. It's okay.
Let's be honest, a
What's
lot of
wrong? You
people
can come
raise
up.
their voice before they even think.
Don't be scared.
The dog chews
Good boy.
something, has an accident,
That's
barks
it.
at the
Come
wrong
here.
moment, knocks something over, and suddenly the room changes. Your voice gets loud, your body gets tense, your dog freezes. Here's what many people don't realize. Yelling may stop behavior in the moment, but it often damages the relationship underneath. Your dog may not even understand what they did wrong. What they do understand is that you became scary. And once your dog starts associating your presence with unpredictability, pressure, or fear, trust begins to fade. A dog who trusts you feels safe making mistakes around you. A dog who fears you only learns how to hide. Number 4, forcing affection. Humans love hugs, kisses, squeezing faces, and pulling dogs close. But many dogs do not experience affection the way we do. Some tolerate it, some freeze through it, some try to move away politely, and some show clear discomfort that gets completely ignored. If your dog turns their head away, shows the whites of their eyes, stiffens their body, licks their lips, or stops moving entirely when you hug them, that is not always love. Sometimes that is pressure. And when affection becomes something your dog has to endure instead of enjoy, trust takes a hit. Real trust is not built by forcing closeness. It is built by respecting comfort. Sometimes the most loving thing you can do is give your dog the choice to come to you. Number 5, breaking routines and emotionally neglecting them. Dogs are creatures of rhythm. They notice the time you wake up, the sound of the leash, the order of the day, the small promises inside a routine. And when those promises disappear again and again, your dog feels it. Maybe you used to walk them every evening, but now you keep saying later. Maybe you're always busy on your phone. Maybe you're physically present but emotionally absent. Your dog may still sit beside you, still follow you, still wait at the door, but something changes when they begin expecting disappointment. Trust is not only about safety, it is also about reliability. Dogs trust the people whose presence feels emotionally steady. When your dog never knows if today is a connection day or an ignored day, that uncertainty can slowly weaken the bond. Number 6, teasing, tricking, or playing too rough. This one gets dismissed a lot because people think it's harmless fun. Pretending to throw the ball, pulling toys away at the last second, teasing them with food, escalating rough play until your dog becomes overstimulated. To us, it might seem playful. To a dog, repeated trickery can feel unfair. Dogs don't laugh at psychological games the way humans do. If your dog keeps getting excited only to be confused, frustrated, or let down, they may begin to approach you more cautiously. Play should build connection. It should feel safe, clear, and rewarding. If play regularly ends in confusion or frustration, it stops being bonding. It becomes emotional risk. So, how do you rebuild trust if you've been making some of these mistakes? First, slow down. Start watching your dog more carefully than you watch your own habits. Respect the small signals. Be consistent with rules. Use calm guidance instead of fear. Let affection be optional. Become more reliable in your routines and make play feel fair again. Trust is not rebuilt through one dramatic moment. It is rebuilt through repetition, through safety, through clarity, through respect. And the beautiful thing is, dogs are incredibly generous. When they see that you are finally listening, they often begin to forgive faster than we deserve. So if your dog has been pulling away, acting uncertain, or losing confidence in you, don't panic. Just pay attention. Because sometimes the bond is not broken. Sometimes your dog is simply waiting for you to become someone they can trust again. And if you truly love your dog, that change starts today.